Namaste and welcome to Youth TV Show, produced by Today's Youth Asia. Youth TV Show is an attempt to foster the creativity of young minds by providing a platform to address the issues that concern our society. My name is Lisa and I'm an intern at Today's Youth Asia.
Namaste, I'm Sunrose Maske. I'm currently in 12th grade at Sainik Adarsh Mahavidyalaya in Salagari, Bhaktapur. I'm a student of humanities field and I've taken economics, sociology and English as my major subjects. I've joined as a trainee at LSTP Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is an alternative education program of Today's Youth Asia. I have expected to become a very impressive and confident speaker. I wish to boost all of my talents on speaking, writing, public speaking, even managing, anchoring, and many more. And by the time I complete this training, I wish to achieve all of that, starting right from managing techniques to manage my documents, to convincing any sort of people with my communication skills. I aspire to become a UN official, and to supplement that, I have joined LSTP.
Namaste, I am Prinsip Shah. I just completed my plus 2 in science faculty from Pentagon International College, Kathmandu. I have joined as a trainee of LSDP, Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is an alternative education program by Today's Youth Asia. I expect to and want to become a better public speaker. I tend to get nervous when speaking in public. Whenever I was called on the stage, I used to become so nervous that either I used to forget everything that I was supposed to say, or I speak so fast that none of the audience or anybody understood even a word I said. I would love to improve that and become a better speaker. I also hope to get a lot of opportunities where I can experience how to organize and conduct programs to become a better leader and also learn how to become a better person as a whole. I aspire to become an engineer who is not only good at all the science stuff but also has the capability to maintain a proper public relationship and also can speak in public when it counts. With that belief that I could fulfill all these dreams, I have joined the LSDP program at Today's Youth Asia. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Yamini Kedia and I'm studying in Modern Indian School, pursuing with my grade 12th. And I'm here to acquaint you all with my expectations from LSTP. Leadership Skill Development Program is an alternative education program from TYA, Today's Youth Asia. It is a course which not only focuses on one's speaking ability but also on the development on one's personality as well as leadership quality. I have expected to speak confidently in the public. Many a times when I go on stage, I get nervous, due to which I go totally blank and I don't know what to speak and what not to speak. So, by the time I complete this program, I want to learn to communicate effectively by expressing my thoughts clearly. I also want to learn to speak confidently in the public. I aspire to become a person working in the marketing field, so this training would help me to talk to people properly and convince them, having a greater impact on them. With this belief that I would fulfill all my dreams, I joined the LSTP program.
Namaste, my name is Monica Diopala and I'm currently studying at grade 11 in Kathmandu Model College. I have joined as a trainee of Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is one of the alternative education program by the TYA, Today's Youth Asia. From this LSTP training, I have hope that the young leaders like us would be innovative, creative as well as impressive to be a public speaker. I wanted to learn about the media sector, so I hope I also can learn about the media sector through Today's Youth Asia, as it is also one of the media house. I want to achieve positive changes inside me, so I hope LSDP program will help me. I aspire to become a successful photojournalist, so I hope this belief would come true if TYA support me in LSDP program. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Akshay, a management student of class 12 in Modern Indian School. My subjects are business, maths and economics. I have joined Leadership and Skill Development Program to improve my public speaking qualities, as I aspire to become a lawyer or a politician, which is impossible to become without a good public speaking qualities. Other than this, I also believe that making friends in Leadership and Skill Development Program is also one of the most important things, because without making good friends who have good public speaking qualities, it is next to impossible to success in life. Other than this, I also love to be engaged in co-curriculum activities, and I also love to play cricket and football. Thank you.
Hello, I am Monica Niraula, a Plus 2 graduate from St. Mary's College. At present, I am preparing for the SAT test at Alpha Beta Institute, New Baneshwar. In college, I hope to study psychology, economics, public speaking and writing. I have joined as a trainee of LSTP Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is an alternative education program of today's Youth Asia. At present, I am planning to apply to colleges in the United States, and through the LSTP training, I want to be able to write an attractive CV, an exceptional application essay, so that I can impress the admission officers and get admitted to college. I am also a participant in an upcoming debate competition, and through the LSTP training, I hope to be able to learn debating skills, hone those that I have, and be able to present myself as a refined debater in the competition. Similarly, when such events come up in my life, I can utilize the skills that I learn in LSTP to become a better leader, a better person. In addition, I want to be able to give as well as take an interview with confidence, and when I go in a conference, I want to be able to present myself as a mature speaker, competent enough to debate on national as well as international issues. With the belief that LSTP will assist me in fulfilling my dreams, I am here at TYA. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Anushka Shrestha. I am studying science in Rato Bangla School, Patan Dhoka. My major subjects are physics, chemistry, economics, maths and English. I have joined as a trainee of Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is the alternative education program of today's Youth Asia. I have expected to develop my leadership and personality skills through these programs. I have never felt comfortable when speaking in mass, so I would like to improve my public speaking skills through this program. I also want to learn how to debate, give a proper speech, and know how to research properly. Apart from that, I want to know how to face the camera properly and know how the social media works. I aspire to become a good leader, and with these beliefs, I joined LSTP. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Sujata Kadaria. I am studying science at NIST College in Kathmandu. I have joined as a trainee of Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is an alternative educational program of today's Youth Asia. I am a camera conscious person and I don't feel comfortable while speaking in mass, so what I expect is to be a good speaker. From LSTP training program, I want to develop my strong personality and leadership skills. By the time I complete this training, I want to become a good leader and a good speaker. As I haven't participated in the TV shows till today, with the help of LSTP, I want to see myself how well I can perform in my life.
Namaste, I'm Meda Joshi. I'm currently doing my BBA at Shangadev campus in Putal Sadak. I'm a trainee of LSTP program, that is Leadership and Skill Development Program. I'm a trainee of LSTP program, which is Leadership and Skill Development Program, which is an alternative education program of today's Youth Asia. Regarding my expectations from this program, I want to become a confident speaker. I want to enhance my communication skills. Communication is needed in every field, be that science, commerce or the arts. And I want to be involved in the marketing sector. So it involves the marketing of products, services, people, events, and of ideas. So I want to enhance my communication skills. As for now, I'm not a confident speaker. I have a terrible time of facing a crowd. I can't express myself in public, and even when I do it with great difficulty. With globalization prevailing, competition occurs at a global level. So that means that I will be sharing the platform with those from the US, from Brazil, from China, and from many other countries. So I took this LSTP program to better enable myself to face the competition ahead. LSTP program will help me in expressing my abilities It will also help me to anchor programs. I learned the technicalities of anchoring a program and how to pose the questions to the interviewee. I'm interested in anchoring programs because it looks really fun on TV. I believe that LSTP program will help me in achieving my dreams and in bringing out the best in me. Thank you.
I hope you liked our program. If you are a student studying in between grade 7 and plus level, you're welcome to be a part of our television shows. The address is youthdia@gmail.com. Our telephone number is 4257-250. Namaste.